Hi my Poke Bears! Welcome back to my channel. It's Vicky, and in today's video, as you guys may know by the title below, I'm going to be doing an Avatar World House tour. I'm super sorry I took so long making another video and making this video. So I thought I was gonna, make the house like a little sooner, like finish it earlier, but turns out I took way longer than I thought. But yeah guys, I'm here, so yeah, by the way, super sorry if some parts of the house looks a little empty. Like, I finished most of the house, like the kitchen and the entry room and the living room is pretty empty, but I'll fix that later. So yeah, super duper sorry about the, how long I took. But yeah, anyways, let's just get into the video. So before we get started, just wanted to let y'all know, if you guys are new here, welcome. And if you guys aren't new here and you're watching this right now, welcome back. Super happy to have you here. So I hope you guys are having a lovely day or a lovely night. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, hit the notification bell to not miss any of my coming videos, and make sure to check my community posts daily because I post there. Not like every day, but like daily, like Mondays and Wednesdays or Fridays, so yeah, make sure you check that daily because I have new updates mostly like every week. So yeah, stay tuned for like upcoming events or updates or whatever. So yeah, anyways, let's just stop the yapping and let's just get into the video. Okay, so right now we're in the entry room. It looks pretty empty. Super sorry about that. Like I said earlier, some parts of the house may look empty, but I'll fix that later. By the way, I just wanted to let y'all know, please do not copy my house idea because this Avatar World house was actually 100, about like 90, 80% of the house was my idea. I took some inspo from other videos, but like I only took, like, for example, like the projector or like their bathrobes or stuff like that. But like I didn't copy any house. Most of this was my idea. So guys, please do not steal or copy my house videos, thumbnail, and yeah. So anyways, yeah. So here is like we have like these little pens. We have these keys, and I have this little clock right here and some blue Crocs. It's pretty empty, but I mean, it's okay. Okay, so right here is the kitchen. I really love the kitchen. It looks pretty empty. Sorry about that. So the fridge is actually the only thing I've probably just, like, put. I put some things in the pantry, but like, oh no! I did not mean to open it. Oh man. So I gotta throw in the trash. Whoops, my bad. It's okay, I only wanted 3 anyways. So here I have, like, it's pretty empty, but it's okay. And I do want to add a carpet. It looks kind of empty here. Anyways, here we have these cute little baby bottles. I love them so much. They're giving fall. It's just giving fall vibes. It's so pretty, especially the spider web. Look how pretty this is. Oh, so cute. Okay, so let's go ahead and walk this way because here is the bathroom, and I love the bathroom so much. Oh wait, hold up. I forgot we have this little pet area. My bad. Okay, so here I have this little pet area. Super duper cute. By the way, leave any dog and cat name ideas because like I actually don't know what to name them. So yeah. So please comment down below some video name ideas for the pets. So yeah. So this, just wanted to let y'all know, this is my dog. He's a boy. Then we have this little girly right here. Then we have this little girly over here. This other little baby. We have 2 girls and 1 boy. So yeah, I absolutely love this little dog skull. What's it called? Clay. It's so pretty. I love it. So cute. Here we have this little like area where we have like the little dog food and cat food and the snacks, soap and shampoo. We just bought them like a little bathtub because you know how they get little fleas. I really hate that because it's really gross, but it's okay. Here we have some strollers. So cute, so cute. I'm gonna just keep them next to each other. Now, here's the bathroom. I think the bathroom looks super duper aesthetic. I love it so, so much. Look how pretty it is. I did take some of the furniture from other houses, like in the new update of like the beach house. So yeah, I did take that. And right over here we have these little absolutely aesthetic bathrobes. I love this one so much with the little palm leaves. It's just so pretty. I love it. And the colors are cute. And I love these little what's it called? What are these called? Shower caps. Yeah. I love them so, so much. And I love the color. Down here we have this little cabinet with like the baby essentials, like diapers or towels or oils and whatever. Here we have our washing machine, the sink. Absolutely love this shell mirror. It's just so pretty and aesthetic. Then coming right this way, we have the shower. And look how pretty these little slippers are. This is a hack. I already did the hack, but I can show you guys on how to do the hack. Just look how pretty this bathrobe looks. It is so aesthetic. I love it so much. And it comes in two because it's a pair. So like it's like, you know, whenever like me and Jordan. It's gonna be me and Jordan's because yeah. But it's so aesthetic. I love it so, so much. I don't even know why there's candy there, but I'm just putting it there because like why not? Then here we have some puddles over here. I need to clean that up. Okay, so heading right this way is the backyard. I love the backyard so much. Just look how aesthetic this looks. The trees, the little tent, the tables where the Stanley is, a projector, dog bed, this little swing. I think it looks so aesthetic. I love it so much. Look how pretty this is. Do not copy, guys. Look how pretty it is, though. It's so cute. We can have like a family night, watch a movie. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and go upstairs. Okay, so this is supposed to be a living room, but supposedly I just put clothes in there. This is another part of the house that looks super duper empty. So yeah, really sorry about that. But yeah, we're not really gonna talk about this room because this is really nothing. Okay, so here is me and Jordan's bedroom. I love it so much. It is so aesthetic. Just look at this little nightstand I have next to me. It has makeup, and I have my little alarm clock. Then right here is Jordan's work desk where he, you know, because he works at the office. And he's like he's the assistant manager of his boss, and it's a pretty important job. So that's why he's like, you know, he has his little desk. And I love it so much. Look how pretty that is. We have plants all over the house. We can even look outside. I love this house so much, guys. Look how pretty this is. You can look outside. Okay, let's just go out and close it. I'm just going to leave it open so Jordan can have some fresh air. Here's our closet. It looks really messy. Sorry about that, but I'll try to fix that as soon as possible. Okay, so coming right over here are the little ones' rooms, meaning my toddlers. They're both 3 years old. I love how the bedroom looks. Look how pretty this is. Here we have 2 more strollers because we can never have enough strollers. Here's a little diaper changing area. Here we have some toys up here. And here we have a shelf with all their clothing. And here we have like some baby essentials like oil, cream, baby pacifiers, diaper, baby food. And yeah, and here we have some like chairs. And yeah, look how aesthetic this is, but kind of upset that these little ones always leave a mess with their toys, but it's okay. Okay, so coming right in here is my oldest daughter, Aria. She is 11 years old, and look how aesthetic this room is. I put so much effort into this room. Just look how aesthetic and coquette it looks. Like, guys, look at this little skincare area. I'm so in love with it. Look how pretty it is. She has her own skincare fridge, her mirror, her desk with more skincare underneath, a flower chair, a mirror, another mirror, and like all her skincare. It's just so crazy. Just look at this, bro. She has her own vanity, and look at me. I only have a small makeup box, but it's okay. She has 2 Stanleys. Then right over here is her closet where she stores her socks, purses, school. And this is her phone, her other Stanley, and her school uniform, and her dresses. Then this is her closet of clothing. Down here is where she wears for her hair clips, and hats. And these are all her clothes. Then coming right this way is her little like jewelry area where she has her headphones, her purses, her alarm clock, and more plushies. And yeah, which is really aesthetic. I love it so much. Well, guys, that's it for today. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video of Avatar Will House Start. Remember, do not copy or steal my thumbnail, profile, house, because I will block and report you and ban you from YouTube. So please, guys, do not do that. I don't want to be doing that to you guys because I don't want to be mean, okay? Please. I want to spread kindness to everyone and positivity. So, yeah, my Poke Bears. Bye!